In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it, use this button or the photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera portion of your screen and after taking a picture, it will be automatically attached. So all you need to do is send it. Now, if you want to pick and send already existing photos, use the same icon and this time hold this gray line. Drag it up and this way access your gallery. Tap on all of your photos you wanna send, hit done at the bottom right corner and send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!